Hi again everyone and welcome back to our idiom series. This is idiom 14 today, which is hanging by a thread. If a situation is hanging by a thread, then even a slight change in that situation can cause failure or death. As usual, watch the following clip from the film The Devil Wears Prada to see it being used.
Wait.
Excuse me, can we adjust the attitude?
I'm sorry.
Don't make me feed you to one of the models.
It's a busy day. My personal life is hanging by a thread, that's all.
No, join the club. That's what happens when you start doing well at work, darling.
And here are a few sentences for you to see it being used more. 1. Our company has just been taken over by another, and a lot of jobs are now hanging by a thread. 2. It seems like our neighbor's relationship is hanging by a thread. We hear them fighting all the time. 3. She's in a coma. Her life is hanging by a thread. And finally, 4. The player's career is hanging by a thread after he injured his knee badly. So thank you all once again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified about all our newest video releases. Until next time, bye!